Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's April and I'm super excited today because my Scentsy Summer Collection package just arrived. So I ended up picking up two 6-packs and the mini Teal Glitter Warmer. Just thought I, wanted to try out the scents before I put them in the club, and I did do it a little differently. I didn't get an even amount of, sorry, the noise, of bars. I got 4 Coconut Daiquiri, 4 Blue Agave and Melon, 3 Fiji Flowers, and 1 bar of the Mandarin and Mango Nectar. So I wasn't sure about the Mandarin and Mango Nectar because I read that it has a lot of peach in it, and I'm really not a big fan of peach. So I picked up 1 bar, and if I like it, I can always add it to my club. But I think for now, it'll do. So of course, it's hot outside, and Scentsy sends the wax in these foil packages to help keep them from melting. So I'll just cut these away. Oh my gosh, I love these bars. It smells so good already. Look at that. That's so many bars. I'm excited. Okay, so I wrote down the notes so I could tell you guys what they are, and I'll give you my first impressions. So the first one is Coconut Daiquiri. It's right here. I can smell this without even opening it. It smells so good. Alright, so I'm going to read the description first. So Scentsy says, a tropical blend of coconut milk, banana, and vanilla cream that's as refreshing as it is sweet. So I think I'm going to like this one the best, but I'm not sure. I think it's going to be a toss-up between this and the Blue Agave and Melon, but we'll see. Who knows? Okay. I smell a lot of the coconut. Let's see if I can pull it out of the clamshell without breaking the bars. Okay. It's kind of not really what I was expecting. I don't know, it's not very strong smelling to me. I'm hoping when I warm it, it will be. I get a lot of the coconut. I feel like I get like a pineapple, but I know there's not pineapple in this. But I feel like that's what I'm smelling. I get the milkiness from the coconut milk. I personally don't get the banana. I don't actually like bananas, so that's a little sad. But anyways, I got 4 bars of this. And it's the Coconut Daiquiri. Alright, this one I think I'm the most excited about besides the Coconut Daiquiri, and that's the Blue Agave and Melon. It's right here. And Scentsy says, a sweet desert oasis with lush agave, honeydew melon, and kiwi. So, let's see. Oh, I love this one. This is a fresh, fruity scent. I get the melon. I think I get the kiwi. It's kind of like a crispy smell. I almost feel like I'm getting pear. But that might be the kiwi. And then Blue Agave, I'm not sure exactly what Blue Agave smells like. That's a nice scent. It's really refreshing. It's I think it's going to be a good bathroom and bedroom scent. And I picked up 4 bars of the Blue Agave and Melon. So let's do the Fiji Flower next. I picked up 3 bars of the Fiji Flower. And the scent description is a vivid lei, delicately crafted with pink plumeria and pear blossom, wraps around an air of apple. Love apple. I really hope the apple comes through. I'm hoping it's not too floral. I like a little bit, but not too much, so we'll see. Ooh. I like this one. It's really fruity. There's a little floral. I don't think it's like a crazy amount. I do get the pear and the plumeria. It's sweet. I like it. I think that will be a really nice bathroom scent. I might actually pick up some more of these. That's the Fiji Flower. Okay, I'm going to dig in here. Okay. Here is the Mandarin and Mango Nectar. It's a pretty orange color. And the scent description is a medley of juicy mandarin, mango nectar, and peach puree blend into an intoxicatingly fruity fusion. So I don't know. I like mango and I do love mandarin, but the peach is kind of worrying me. And then there's no like vanilla to balance it. So, oh my gosh, yeah. I don't like it. The bottom actually smells better than the top, but I don't know, there's something, it's fruity, but I don't know exactly what I'm smelling. I think it's peachy. Doesn't really smell a lot like mango or mandarin. And then there's like a weird smell. It's kind of like, almost smells like plasticky. And this bar is actually kind of oily on it. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it's not juicy, but it's very oily just picking it up. Okay, I don't like that one, and I'm really glad I only picked up one bar. I'm gonna melt it still, but it's not my favorite. It's kind of what I was worried about. I'm gonna try the Coconut Daiquiri though one more time because maybe I need to just smell it more. Okay, if I had to rank my favorites so far, just on first impressions, cold sniff, I think the Blue Agave and Melon, that one's my favorite so far. The Blue Agave and Melon. And then second would be, I think maybe the Coconut Daiquiri and then the Fiji Flower, but I don't know, it's kind of close. I like them both. I'm not sure which one I like better. And by far, this Mandarin and Mango Nectar, my least favorite. For sure. I'll probably pick up some more bars of the Coconut Daiquiri and the Blue Agave Melon and the Fiji Flower, just because I want to get a little stockpile going on. And I might, after warming it, if I really like it, I'll probably put one of each except for the Mango Nectar into my club. It just depends on how they perform. I want to show you guys though the Glitter Teal Mini Warmer. The pictures looked so beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty, you guys. Oh. Wow, it is so pretty. Look at the sparkle and the shine. Just glittery. It's girly. I love it. And then they're really easy to put together. I'm not going to put the bulb in, but I'll just show you how to just screw on. Look at that. It's so pretty. I'm really happy I got this. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this channel or this video, hit like and subscribe. and I will talk to you guys later. Oh, I also wanted to mention everything that I showed is still available on Scentsy's website. So if you are thinking about getting something, I would do it pretty quick, because I have a feeling come Monday with the launching of the Father's Day collection and the re-release of the Villains collection, that things are going to sell out really fast. So thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.